Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some tips to fix Warzone 2 stuttering, lag, and FPS drop and improve performance on Windows PC. Warzone 2 can become laggy when the graphics settings are too high. Try lowering them. Firstly, go to Settings. Navigate to Interface. Scroll down and you will see Advanced Interface Settings. Turn off parallax effects. Now, go back Settings. Select Graphics. Select Quality. Click on the Upscaling, Sharpening, then select Off. Next, click on the Anti-Aliasing Quality, then lowering it to Normal or Low. Scroll down and you will see On-Demand Texture Streaming. Turn off it. Also, make sure that your internet network is strong and stable. Make sure that there are no downloads or uploads on your network. Exit out of the game and try connecting to another region. It's possible that it was just a laggy region connection. Next, press Windows key then type power. Select Choose a power plan. Now, make sure set height performance for it. Finally, make sure your system is qualifying requirements for Call of Duty, Warzone 2.